Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest and greatest products. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you drone enthusiasts out there, the Oculus Quest 2. Which just so happens to be the best VR headset for the DJI Mini 2 drone. Now, before we dive into the details, let me tell you why this is a game-changer for anyone who loves capturing breathtaking aerial footage with their DJI Mini 2. The Oculus Quest 2 is not just a VR headset. It's a portal to a whole new world of immersive experiences. And when you pair it with your DJI Mini 2, you're in for an adventure like no other. So, what makes the Oculus Quest 2 the best VR headset for your DJI Mini 2? Let's break it down. One of the standout features of the Oculus Quest 2 is its incredible display. With a resolution of 3664 by 1920 pixels, your aerial footage comes to life like never before. The colors are vibrant, and the details are razor-sharp. Imagine seeing your drone's perspective in breathtaking clarity, making it easier than ever to frame your shots and capture cinematic moments. The Quest 2 is designed for comfort during extended use. Its adjustable head strap and balanced weight distribution mean you can wear it for those longer drone flights without discomfort. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight, which is perfect for those extended flights. You'll hardly notice it's there. But here's where the Quest 2 really shines: its extensive library of games and apps. You're not just limited to using it for your drone flights. You can explore virtual worlds, play games, and even watch 360 degrees videos. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast or someone who wants to unwind in a virtual paradise after a day of drone photography, the Quest 2 has you covered. So, there you have it, the Oculus Quest 2, the best VR headset for DJI Mini 2 users. With stunning visuals, comfort, and a vast library of experiences, it's a must-have companion for your drone adventures. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. And as always, fly safe and explore new horizons with the Oculus Quest 2 by your side.